Most people throw away wood ash, and many only use paprika in the kitchen. But what happens when you mix the two together for your garden? The result will surprise you. Wood ash is packed with natural minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which make plants stronger and improve soil fertility. On the other hand, ground paprika is rich in antioxidants and natural compounds that pests simply hate. Here's the trick. Take a small bowl of fine wood ash, add 1 spoon of ground paprika, and mix them well. Now sprinkle this mixture lightly around the base of your plants. This simple homemade blend does 2 amazing things. 1. The ash improves soil health and helps balance acidity. 2. The paprika acts as a natural pest repellent, keeping ants, slugs, and even harmful insects away from your plants.